Allah live astounds people across the state. What looks like the Arabic word for God and the name of the Prophet Muhammad were discovered on the leaves of many plants by Islam believers in Assam. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Bodoland Khourang, the news read by Raman Brown. Allah lives astounds people across the states. What looks like the Arabic word for God and the name of the Prophet Muhammad were discovered on the leaves of many plants by Islam believers in Assam. The interesting thing has been followed up since Thursday evening. People questioned about having any divine reason behind it. Also, a few questioned about being a man-made conspiracy. But scientifically speaking, it is called rugged spiraling whitefly that lays eggs spirally on planes. The spiraling whitefly is a species of small white sap-sucking insect, a true bug in the order Hemiptera. It originated in Central America and the Caribbean region and has spread to many of the world's tropical and subtropical regions, where it has become a major pest of agricultural crops. The spiraling whitefly may cause damage to crops in several ways. The feeding of the adults and particularly the sucking of sap by the first three nymphal stages weakens the plants and causes leaves to fall prematurely, but is seldom sufficient to kill the plant. The copious amount of honeydew secreted by the insects are appreciated by ants, wasps, bees and other insects, and these may protect the whitefly from predation. Sooty mold often grows on the honeydew and may reduce the leaf area available for photosynthesis, disfigure the plant and even make it unmarketable. The nymphs produce a flocculent white waxy material, and this may be sprayed by the wind and create an unsightly nuisance. This spiraling whitefly can act as a vector and is one of only 3 species of whitefly which are able to transmit plant viruses. In some cases, this may cause the complete loss of the crop. That's the story of the Allah leaf that astounds peoples across the state. This is the truth of Allah leaf that astounds peoples across the states.